host one lesson. Okay. 1 minute, ma'am. My host will start the recording. Okay. Okay, children. So yes, your question was very good. That is a yes. Okay. I will start. Okay. 1 minute. Yes, yes. Now it has started. So everyone, yes, the question was very good from Abir question, right? Beta, that question you asked that how satellite is only rotating in outer orbit, right? It is why it is not getting fall. Beta, why it is not falling? Because when we are launching a satellite, we are giving a minimum velocity. With that minimum velocity, it can only, you have heard about centripetal force and centrifugal force. Your teacher might have taught about it, taught to you, right? Centrifugal and centripetal force. So that force is also there. But satellite has got its own engine. Engine is everything has, it has got assembled with different electronic gadget. And that electronic gadget is getting powered by solar panel, right? So with the help of that solar panel, this satellite is moving. If something, some object is trying to pull it out, but there is some power is there, right? Like you can take the example of a train. How train is moving with the help of engine. So like this, also that is. And when we are placing the satellite into space, we are giving a minimum velocity. With that minimum velocity, it will take that orbit and it will keep on rotating that only. Understood? Yes. Anyone else? Any question, beta? If you want to ask.
Shama, Noirit, any more question, please?
Okay. Yes, ma'am, you can speak about today's session. If the children have some more question, you can connect with us. I will send you the WhatsApp group link and the student can join in that also. You can pass to the children.
Okay. So
and they can also
okay.
They can also become welcome speaker and vote of thanks for IDYM. We will give chance to them to speak in other countries. Surely we will give them chance.
Yes. Okay. So today's session is closed now.
Yeah, ma'am. You talk about today's session, then we will discuss about if any question will come in the meantime, I'll answer that. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any more question, Mr. Aidid and Awal? Have any question, please? You can ask, please. Aidid.
Yes, beta. You can ask the question.
I have a question that is, after we launch a satellite, what sort of difficulties do we face?
What you are saying? Once more.
After we launch a satellite in the space, what sort of difficulties can we face?
Speak out. Can you just type the question sent to me, because some error is coming by in your voice, or anybody else can explain me that question?
Sir, I have seen a satellite in white color, but why the satellite is in yellow color always?
Yellow color, yes. I was telling about that only. No, I was talking to you all about that before only I talked to you this topic. Why I'm telling why we need the yellow color? That is a very, very interesting question. Yellow color, because when we are launching a satellite, like any satellite, if you see that there is yellow color, because there is a solar radiation is there, no? So we want to stop we want to save the electronic gadget from solar radiation. For that purpose only we are using that. Understood, everyone?
Sir?
For that, yeah.
Sir, who first designed a satellite?
What you said, beta?
Sir, who designed a satellite for the first time?
For the first time? For the first time, beta, first satellite, it was launched by Russia only. But if you talk about India, the first Indian satellite name was Aryabhatta satellite. Aryabhatta.
Okay, I did your question, please. I did.
Yes, miss. Would I type it?
Yeah, type it. No problem, beta. No problem.
Okay.
His question is, what type of difficulties faces when the launching the space, the rocket in the space?
What difficulty they are going to face? Yes. That is what the question, right?
Yes,
There will be
maybe.
so many difficulties. You have to, I told you, space doesn't give second chance. See, I am sharing a screen. I am going to play one video of Pratham satellite, which was made by our team. So you all can watch that. By God grace, I am able to play that. It was not actually working before.
Okay.
But now I think it will work out. But there will be some sound issue.
The remaining two satellites, Pratham from IISat orbit,
All of you can see the screen?
So, sir, we can see a black.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I will correct that. It's showing that video is shown here, but I think it is showing the black screen. Wait. Okay, yes. What difficulty you are going to face? That's a very good question. I will answer that question. It's a very, very good question. Difficulty number one. What is the difficulty number one? Just wait for some problem with the network. So it's not playing well. I'll share with the ma'am and ma'am will share with all of you. Okay. Children's, sorry for that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes. I think this is a prayer time, ma'am.
Sabir, you have any questions? Sabir? Sabir, have you any question?
No means.
Why? You can ask any question. Any more question, student? Dear student, please. Awal.
बाबू एक रात स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो जल्दी बाबू इसको स्क्रीन शेयर करो I will play the video 1 minute just give me 1 minute अरे क्या बोल रहा है
वो दूसरा आदमी शेयर कर
aircraft. The remaining two satellites, Pratham from IIT Bombay, PISat from PES University Bangalore, are from India. The main objective of Pratham is to estimate the total electron count (TEC) with a resolution of 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer.
Have a feel of the
location
launch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4,
PS1 and ground
5,
upon ignited.
6,
Vehicle
7,
lift off normal.
8, 9,
प्रक्षेपण
plus 10
जलन
seconds.
बिल्कुल सामान्य आकाश की ओर उठता हुआ
Plus 15
PSLV
seconds.
और
Any moment now,
जोरदार
we will hear the confirmation of the separation of the Pratham satellite built by students of IIT Mumbai, and also followed just 10 seconds later the separation of PISat satellite built by the students of PES University Bangalore.
जी हाँ वैसे कई उपग्रह
India's PSLV C2 rocket is standing majestically on the launch pad at the Sriharikota range, ready to be launched. First stage and the 4 grounded strap-on boosters are ignited. PSLV is getting lifted off and clears the launch pad. Two airlit strap-on boosters are ignited. The 4 ground-lid strap-on boosters are burnt out and are separated. 2 air-lid strap-on boosters are separated. First stage is burnt out and separated. Second stage is ignited. Payload fairings are separated. The second stage is now burnt out and separated. Third stage is ignited. Third stage is burnt out and is separated. Fourth stage is ignited. Fourth stage is burnt out and the main satellite is separated. 3 microsatellites are separated.
Have you seen the video of the launching of PSLV and that one?
Yes, sir.
Pratham?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
that
thank
is
you.
what I was trying to talk to all of you. How the PSLV was getting separated, you understood? It was getting separated in different stages. That is what I was discussing with all of you, right? So this is how satellite come out of the rocket, and this is how satellite get launched from the launching pad. Understood, every one of you? Any doubt is there in this?
Sir, I have one more question.
Yes, beta. Yeah, beta.
Sir,
Ask,
what
ask.
kind of role do acceleration due to gravity plays while launching a satellite?
What you told there, beta? Once again.
What kind of role do acceleration due to gravity plays while launching
Yes,
a
beta,
satellite?
there is a role. There is a role is there, but we know that rocket has got a very high power engine. So it come out of the force of gravity. That's why, if you want to just bring down the satellite, now if you are launching a satellite and it goes to the space, then it goes to a space, what will happen? In a space also there is a base star there, space base star there. A few months, 1 year back, India launched one missile called under a mission of Mission Shakti, which missile hit our own satellite only. So when India hit their own satellite, that time space got some waste in the space. So when the satellite is going to get older and older, and if it is going to lose the age, that time we are using with the help of gravity only, we are bringing it down. No, so gravity has got a big role in this. But when we are launching, we are overcoming the gravity, and when we are bringing down, that time gravity is helping us. Yes. Anyone else?
Sir, when a satellite is launched, why the parts are separated?
Why the parts are separated? Yes, that satellite part will not get separated. Only rocket part will get separated. Yeah, rocket part, because if you don't separate the rocket, how the satellite will come out? So if satellite has to come out, it has to be get separated. No, understood? So there will be a stage separation. Why we are having so many stages in PSLV? Because PSLV will launch a satellite weight of 500 kg. 500 kg taken to space is a very big thing, right? So for that purpose, we are using 4-stage, 3-stage rockets, right? A small satellite, we can use the drone or we can use the helium balloons. Yes. Anyone else?
So can we separate the parts all together at one
All
time?
together, that is. See, one thing I want to tell to all of you. This is a very good question he asked. See, there is a different types of launch vehicle is there. Something called SLV, something called PSLV, and something called GSLV. If you see the GSLV design, now you saw what is that PSLV. In PSLV, what was happening? There was 4 stages was getting separated. But in the case of GSLV, there are 4 big rockets are there. Not only one big rocket, there are other 4 rockets are there. So all these 4 rockets will go to some extent. And from there, the main rocket nose will get separated and satellite will come out. That is in the case of GSLV. Yes, any other question? Children's?
Sir, then how will the satellite come back to Earth?
Come back to Earth. Yes, beta, very good question. Satellite will come back to Earth. We have different types of, see now India is working on a technology called RLV. That is called reusable launch vehicle. Why we are bringing that technology? Now you are from Bangladesh. You have launched a satellite. you have spent 100 crore. One rocket cost is minimum 100 crores. It is a very costly. So if we are launching the rocket and it's getting wasted, so 100 crore rupees we are wasting. So now India is working on a project for RLV. We can launch the satellite and we can bring the rocket back. Means the rocket itself will be like a plane. It will launch the satellite and it will come back. So if you want to bring the satellite, you have to use different type of equipments are there. With the help of that, we are dragging the satellite to the particular place. We cannot bring the satellite to village, then all people will die. You have to bring to some places where no damages can take place. Yes. Any other person?
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sir,
Yes.
where the separated part from the rockets go, sir?
Where the separated part of the rocket goes off. See, beta, when you are from Tamil Nadu, very close to Andhra Pradesh, right? You are from South India, so you just visit once. I'll get your pass for you. If a Bangladesh student also want to visit ISRO, I'll get the pass for them also. So when you go to ISRO, you will see that there is something called launch pad. So the base part, they are dragging it, and they are dragging in such a way that most of the part is falling down in the sea. It's not like you are throwing a ball, it will come back somewhere. Not like that. It has got some kind of gyroscopes are there. That navigation will be there. It cannot just go and fall somewhere. Then everybody will die in Andhra Pradesh, right? So it has some navigations. With the help of that, we are dragging into near to sea, and there we are bringing on the ships are there. We will bring it down, or sometime we will damage that part if it is not very useful. Yes. Anyone else? Okay.
Sir, what
So,
kind of fuel is used in a rocket?
What kind of
Fuel.
fuel? Very good. Beta, this is a question you made today's session very interesting. Now I just want to tell you one very new information you might have heard about from your teacher also. NASA is going to make a rocket which will be launched with the help of water. Now we are using the fuel, right? In Bangladesh, I think petrol cost is 90 taka. Your currency is taka, right? So that maybe
Yes, sir.
90 or 100 taka. In India also it is something like a rupees, 90 and 100 rupees. That what fuel we are using in the rocket, that is very, very costly. So for reducing the cost, NASA is going to make a new type of launch vehicle which cannot use the fuel, that can be run with the help of water. If it is going to be successful, all mission of the world is going to take place with that. Then that will be good for the environment also. Yes. Anyone else? Okay. So, ma'am, what do you think about? Yeah, you can speak about.
Okay.
And we can after we can in the session. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Any more question, students? No more question.
Yeah, is space station and geostation are same?
Hello. Once more.
Again, please repeat, please.
Is there any difference between space station and geostation?
A space station, beta, it is made artificially to study about the space. Now India is trying to build that. By 2030 we will get our space station. But before NASA have already built that. That is called International Space Station. Geo station means satellite is rotating into some orbit, right? From where we are getting the signal. That is that part is that called that geostation. Yes. Anyone else? Okay. So I think all of you are now. If you have any more question, you can ask to ma'am, and ma'am will send to us, and we will give you the answers. And dear children, I will send the ma'am also WhatsApp link of our group, children's group, so you can join in that. There are so many activities going on, so you can be part of that. Now we are already working on that Women's Day activity. Already I have informed to ma'am.
Yes, they prepared their videos, and then tomorrow I will send you. Okay. All the videos.
Yes, ma'am. You already explained to ma'am that you have to make your mom video, a picture, and that you have to talk about your mom.
Yes, I already sent them your videos which you already provided me.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so they everything is okay for them, so they prepare the videos and send to me, and then again I will provide to you.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Today talk about today's session before we close the session. Yes, ma'am.
So now you will be closed.
No, no, ma'am. You can
Sessions?
talk about today program and then we can
Yes.
close.
Okay. So next more session today?
Ma'am, we will conduct another. I will send you the another link. That time you can ask your student to attend that one also.
Oh. So any more questions? Dear students, Abhi, Shama. No more question, please. I did. Fardin, you just join here. Fardin, have any questions? You can ask any questions, please. Fardin,
No, miss, I have no questions.
why? You're also interested about the rocket launcher, so you can ask any questions. They're ready to be answered, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So can we close the session with your permission?
Yes, okay. So I'd like to say something. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Please,
So,
please.
okay. Okay, so thank you very much for IDYMA because we feel very proud to join here. I hope after these sessions, our students, it's very clear about them because every students have to know new some things from your textbook or others, but after this session, very clear for them, I think. Okay, and they were very interested, and I hope we can join. We will join any other programs.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Don't worry about that.
Send the
You are
link.
always
Okay,
welcome.
because they're very interested.
Yes, ma'am. You are.
They have many questions. Okay.
Yeah, you can ask the
So,
question, dear children.
yes.
I will
And
send
thanks
the link
again
to ma'am.
from
WhatsApp group
Bangladesh.
link.
Yes, and Cambridge School and College from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, thanks to all. Thanks again you, and thanks
Yes, ma'am.
Netta and others. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Dear
Janni.
students,
Yeah,
you
Janni
have
has,
anything?
I think, left.
Abhi, you can say something. Noirit, Shama, about today's session. Say thanks to them.
Sir, I would like to say something.
Yeah, say, beta, say.
Sir, we have to make a small speech about the Women's Day that is coming. So, sir, can I give an individual speech and make a video and send it?
Yes, beta, you have to give a ma'am. Have got many sample videos. You can ask the ma'am. She will forward to you.
Yes, sir.
You will understand all the idea.
Yes,
Ma'am has got many
moment
videos. I have sent
single
to her
videos,
more than
yes.
10 videos.
Yes.
She will share with me.
Okay.
Anything else? Okay. So, ma'am, can we end up the session with your permission?
Okay, yes, of course. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Bye.